Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve Microsoft Excel You Can't Save Here error. This error appears when saving the Excel file to a specific location. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Since the error is causing while saving the document, so you can try saving your file to another location. To do this, open Excel file, click on the File menu. Go to Save As and choose another location. Then click on the Save Files in this file format drop-down. Select a supported file format. Click OK. The next solution you can try is to enable or disable add-ins in safe mode. This step will be helpful if the problem is being caused due to one of the installed plugins. To do so, go to the File, Options, Add-ins. At the bottom, you must have Manage, Add-in. Press Go, untick all the add-ins to disable. Close the application and then start it usually. Updating the Excel application to the latest version can even help you to fix Microsoft Excel You Can't Save Here error. Open the Microsoft Excel. Click the File tab. Click the Account option. Click Update Options and click Update Now to check for updates for the Office app and update it to the latest version. Open and Repair is a built-in feature in MS Excel that helps fix corrupted Excel files and resolve related errors. For this, you have to ensure to close all the Excel files. Open the Excel application. Go to the File Open. Under the dialog box that opens, click on the Browse to choose an Excel file that is showing this error. Once you have selected the file, click on a small drop-down arrow next to an Open button. Click Open and Repair. Now click on Repair. A corrupted or damaged Microsoft Office can also lead to Excel You Can't Save Here. Please choose another location. You can fix this by repairing the Microsoft Office files. For this, you have to close all running MS Office programs. Then, open the Control panel. Click Programs, then Programs and Features. Select Microsoft Office. Right-click it and click Change. Select between Quick Repair and Online Repair. Then, click Repair. This repair process may take some time. Once done, check your Excel program and files for the error. If you are facing Excel You Can't Save Here error due to file corruption, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing Excel You Can't Save Here. Please choose another location error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.